When a project in Affinity grows larger than the canvas, the extra shapes and ideas outside the edges can turn into a confusing mess. A beginner often wonders why some objects stay visible past the canvas while others seem to vanish. The small setting called Clip to Canvas controls all of that, and learning it gives you a clearer workspace right away. Start by looking at your canvas and placing a simple shape on it. A circle shape works well for this demonstration, but anything is fine. Add a color so the edges stand out. Now drag the shape past the canvas border. The visible part stays inside the canvas and the rest disappears from view. That behavior creates a clean preview of the final layout, though it can feel limiting when you want room to test ideas. Many beginners try to drag and drop elements outside the canvas for quick sketching and hit the same problem every time. The shape keeps hiding the moment it crosses the edge. The workspace feels locked. However, the setting on the pasteboard solves that instantly. Move your pointer onto the empty space around your canvas. That area is the pasteboard. Right-click on the pasteboard and choose Clip to Canvas. When the box is unchecked, the canvas stops hiding objects that cross the border. That small change frees the whole layout. Now drag the shape outward again. The entire object stays visible no matter how far it moves. The pasteboard becomes open space for ideas, color tests, alternate versions, or anything else that does not belong in the final layout yet. Some people wonder why this option exists at all. A hidden overflow helps when the goal is a clean preview of a poster, a banner, or a thumbnail. A visible overflow helps when exploring layouts without limits. Both modes support different stages of the design process. During early sketching, visible overflow encourages play. During final checks, hidden overflow pushes attention back to the main canvas. Once the testing phase ends, turn Clip to Canvas back on. Right-click the pasteboard again and select the option so the check mark returns. Anything outside the canvas becomes hidden. The canvas returns to a clean frame. This shift is useful when exporting because the final file reflects only what sits inside the canvas bounds. So, with this small tool under control, the canvas no longer feels restrictive. The workspace becomes flexible when exploring ideas and precise when preparing a finished export. That balance builds confidence with every new project. If the workflow feels smoother now, that is the power of a setting that hides in plain sight. Clip to Canvas keeps your focus exactly where it needs to be, either on the full spread of ideas or on the clean final design, depending on the stage of your project.